This was the destination of our hike. It's a lake above Lake Tahoe that feeds down into it, and it was just beautiful, pristine lake. We hiked through snow and 500-foot elevation climb to get there, but it was just beautiful. The water was crystal clear. You could see the rocks all the way in the bottom. It was beautiful. While we were there, this duck swam up, and it just kept hanging around us. We weren't feeding it or anything, and it was kind of curious, and it just kept standing there. So I figured that he must have been waiting for his close-up. So I finally gave him a shot. Here you go, duck. This is the start of the Eagle Falls. So you can see the water goes over the lake and starts falling down the mountain. Really high volume of water. And it was snow cold, but there were people that were hiking across and risking hypothermia, I believe, to get across. But they said it was worth it. The other side was very pretty. We were not willing to try it. There were a few people that we encountered on this climb, and as you could see, a couple that were up at the lake the same time we were. But generally, it wasn't a very popular area like the lower falls were. Here it is again going down, and you can just see this is a slow motion to see the power of the water. Here's another shot lower on the trail of it going down. And another angle. This is the bridge going across the lower falls. So some people do hike up this far. There's Tom at the top. That's our first patch of snow that we saw going up. Later, of course, we were in quite a bit of snow. All along the hike, there were little streams and little waterfalls like this one. Just beautiful, and the sound was awesome. And of course, all these little creeks feed into Eagle Falls. Just continues to come down along the trail. Here we are on the other side of the highway going around Lake Tahoe, and this is where the falls are just magnificent going over the edge. This guy was a little nuts. He scared me. But there are a lot of people on this side of the falls, but you can see it's just a huge drop. You can't even tell by the pictures. It was really cool. Where it comes out under the road and goes over the edge into Emerald Bay. Here's a shot from the other side of Eagle Falls. There are a lot of people there. It's a very popular stop when you're going around Lake Tahoe. Hi, Tom. That's another view out into Emerald Bay, which used to be called Eagle Bay, and it was there that I saw my first golden eagle, which was very exciting. The noise of the water was very loud. is Something Island out there in Emerald Bay. It has a little stone tea cottage built on the top. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this style of video, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you.